Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. I'm still showing cars for the last of the car show. What is there? Oh my god, I like that. I never seen a car open like that too though. And that's my favorite color, so. Oh, it is so small in the back. That is so adorable. That is so cute. It fits perfectly. This purple car is so cute too. I love the color. It's so pretty. But and this is like at the end of the show right here. Wow, look at this one. That is so cool. But let me know down in the comment below what you guys think about this video. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that one. Look at that. Oh, that is so adorable. Look, you guys. It's like looking out the window. And look at that thing. It's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. I love it. Oh, okay. I guess it seemed like I think these are for sale, not for show. I'm thinking. Wrong one. Sorry. But these are so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Like how they handle it. They're so cute. Look at the decoration on this one. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. But these are all the cars. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys on my next one.